Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and it looks like spring has finally sprung, which is awesome because it means I can start wearing my warmer weather refashions once again, like this gorgeous granny square top that I upcycled from a thrifted blanket. And if you want to make one for yourself, the free tutorial is of course available on my blog and channel. Spring also brings sales at the thrift shop, and my local thrift shop recently had a massive sale in which all sweaters were only at $3. So of course I had to go and stock up. So let's go see exactly what I got and style it too. Okay, so I don't know about you, but in the colder, cooler weather, I definitely pretty much live in big, bulky, oversized turtlenecks. I just love them so much. They are so comfortable. Of course, very easy to style. Just, throw them over a pair of leggings and you're pretty much done. And very comfy to work in and all that stuff. So this one's not super stellar or anything. It's just a big, comfy turtleneck that I'm sure will get loads of wear next year. This one I actually got for my kiddo and she doesn't like it. So I'm going to keep it for myself now because it's actually super duper cute. And I mean, it is a kid size, but you know what? I can fit into it. So I don't care. Look at this. Look at this amazing silver glitter sparkle beauty here. This is just stunning. And I'm sure I'm actually going to wear it now in the springtime, of course, layered over other things, but it is beautiful and it is very, very festive as well. So come next holiday season, I'm sure I'll be wearing this loads. Okay, I freely admit I am not much of a cardigan lady, but when I saw this 80s beauty, I had to snap it up because not only is it almost long enough to be a dress, it is just, I can't get over how awesome the pattern is on this and the details. It is just gorgeous. And of course it has pockets, which is always a plus. Now it is very, very much a lot of wool in this, so it's quite itchy. So it's definitely not one to wear with a t-shirt, but layered over other things, it is just beautiful. Okay, I know I can't be the only one who is experiencing deja vu with this sweater, especially if you are a Gen Xer, because I am 100% certain that I had this exact sweater or something very, very similar back in the 80s when I was in elementary school. It is totally awesome to the max, and it is so wonderful too because it's that super, super soft, and it's been loved and washed so many times, and now I'm going to love it just as much. Oh, and I don't know if you can see that, but the tag is for sure a 70 or 80 special, and I just think this is fantastic. But do let me know down below if you had something similar to this when you were a kid in the 80s.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.